Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Zero, and we're back on your screens once again. And in today's video, we are going to be styling my hair, and I'm going to be using a product that I never thought I would, but I think it's about time I start using it. Without any further ado, let us get right into it. We're just gonna be keeping it simple and easy. You guys know that I'm on my challenge of wearing my hair out for a full month. We are in the last week of the month, and I would have successfully worn my hair out for the whole month of April, which makes me really proud. But that means I have to style my hair, which means you guys should expect a styling video on the cute little hairstyles I'm going to be doing when I go to work, just to also share them. Perhaps you may also consider them. So anyway, in today's video we are going to be styling my hair with Eco Styler gel. So I've never used this product before. I've always never really enjoyed having gel in my hair. Even when I braid my hair, I try by the utmost best to tell my hairstylist not to use any gel in my hair. I really don't like it at all. However, because I'm in the rhythm of washing my hair frequently, I don't think I mind having some of this product in my hair. So I am starting on freshly washed hair. I've just washed my hair and it's nice and clean. It's still a bit wet, but yeah, that's kind of like what we are working with. I am gonna be rehydrating my hair with some water, of course. I'm gonna put in my favorite leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner that I have been thoroughly enjoying from Fushimi. This is the leave-in conditioner with hydrolyzed wheat protein. Highly been enjoying this product, as well as the anti-breakage hair cream. This is the second product that I will be using, which I love the fact that it hydrates my hair. More than anything, it hydrates my hair. And what I noticed is that since I've been using these products which contain protein, my hair has been really moisturized, and I've not been getting as much shedding as I used to. So I am noticing that, you know, it is strengthening my hair, but more than anything, my hair doesn't dry out quickly. I obviously do not know what I am doing. I am just going to take enough product to not necessarily drown my hair, but also not too little, so that I don't achieve any results, because we are testing out this gel. I am uncertain because I did not do research. I just blindly bought the product and I am blindly applying it to my hair. So if you guys are starting to see any red flags, let me know, because I don't know what the correct layering method may be. Perhaps what I am doing is right. Is, you know, I applied water, conditioner, cream, and gel. Probably sounds wrong. I don't know, but I'm yet to find out. I am excited. I will always suggest that if you want some stretch and length from your roots, you should start with a braid and then flip into a twist, so that the braid will just, because you are like stretching 3 pieces of hair, it will, you know, stretch a little bit more than 2 pieces of hair when you're braiding your hair. I've been doing this for many years, and for me, a twist out is always going to be a quick go-to hairstyle for me, because it's really easy to braid. You don't really need special skills. Anybody can do this. So yeah, and I plan to wear it out for the whole week. So I really hope that it turns out well, and this is kind of how the first 2 braids came out. Okay, good morning. This is how my hair looks the day after, and I have to say, because I used a gel, my hair is a little shorter than normal because it's super defined, as you guys can see. Super defined. However, and I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but on my shirts I have like flakes. Do you guys see that? And I think maybe it's because I perhaps used this product in conjunction with this product. Perhaps I should have just used water and oil and the eco styler and kept it moving, but it's not too visible. It's not like you guys can actually see it, you know. And anyway, I'm going to try to figure out what to do with my hair and style it out. But the first thing is we're gonna have to like at least stretch out the roots to bring back some length and try to do a cute hairstyle while we are at it. I'm thinking nothing crazy really, something like that. You know me, I don't like to do crazy stuff. I even think this is actually quite cute. I just thought of it now. And then just leave 2 of these. Yeah, let's do that. I do have to say that my hair is super soft. Like, it's super soft. I'm not struggling to do this. Even the roots, they're actually quite fresh. As you can see, just lifting while we actually fluff our hair, you can see the difference is already going up while this side is not styled. So let me actually just fluff up the first side and then take it from there. This is kind of what we have. Like I said, you guys know I love wearing my hair out as is. I'm not even into styling it. But for today, anyway, we're just gonna keep it like this. I think it's cute. And the flakes are not bad. Can you guys see them? Can you see them? I don't think you can. I really do not think you can. I love it. Do you love it? Good morning and welcome back. So it's the following day, and the previous day I basically put my hair into 4 little buns and just went to bed, honestly. And of course, the following day my hair is still flaking because I found out that, maybe I shouldn't have layered my products the way I did, but I hope you guys will leave me some tips in the comment section. But today's hairstyle is going to be super cute. As you guys can see, I divided my hair. One section is bigger than the other one, and then I did a flat twist. I haven't done a flat twist in years, and I genuinely thought that I forgot how to, but I didn't. And then I just fluffed out the rest of my hair and took a bit of that gel, since it's my hair is already ruined, might as well, what's the point, and just applied that to the ends of my hair and curled them. And that's kind of like, yeah, that's the results. I think this challenge has really changed the way I see my natural hair and my face combined, because I have been growing my hair. I have been relying a lot on protective hairstylings, and I really have not wear my hair out for more than a month in the last year. The most I wore it out last year is for a full week, and I think that's a little embarrassing to even say out loud, but I am repairing my relationship with my hair and how I look with my hair. And of course, I am beautiful with it, but I think doing this challenge was a good reminder that I need to start developing a better relationship and balance, rather, with braiding my hair as well as having my hair out for a long period of time, because I think sometimes we rely on braids way too much that it starts to kind of skew how we look at ourselves. And I think that was starting to happen to myself, and that's why I would also like to invite you guys to go on that challenge. It is winter. I don't know if it's the greatest of time, but I think if you think that perhaps you only find yourself only beautiful with your braids, then I think we need to talk. We need to unleash your afro, because that's the true beauty. That's truly who you are. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye for now.